Hi friends, and thanks for coming for another lesson. So we are studying all about apples, and today we're going to be studying about the life cycle of an apple. So I printed out these 5 tiles. It actually comes on one sheet, and then we cut around the edges, and then we have all these tiles, okay? So we're going to use them today to learn about the life cycle of an apple, and then I'm going to show you how we can make it into a fun craft, okay? That'll be in another video. Right now, we're just going to think about the order of the life cycle of an apple, okay? So I'm going to move all these to the bottom so that we get a chance to kind of think about all of these pieces here. Okay, so there's my apple. Okay, ready? So we have the seed. This is called a seed. We have something called the blossom, flowers, right? A sprout, Here it goes, a little seedling, right? And then this is a tree, right? A big tree. And then an apple. We've been talking a lot about apples, right? So there's the apple. So which part of the cycle do you think starts first? Well, it's kind of a trick question because the cycle kind of goes around like this. But usually we start with, when we start growing something, when we start growing any plant, we start with a seed, So I'm going to put the seed there, okay? So we're going to plant our seed into the ground, right? Just like a good gardener, right? And so we're planting our seed, putting it in the ground. We're giving it the 5 things that plants need to grow, right? Air, water, sunshine, soil, and space, right? And so what does it become? What does the seed become in the ground when it gets all those things? A sprout. It becomes a sprout. There's the sprout. And we see it there, and it's growing, and there's the ground, right? There's the dirt, there's the stem and the leaves, and it's just growing and growing. What does it grow into? A big tree, right? Very good, guys. So a tree, yeah, it becomes a tree. Nice, beautiful tree with the big branches and all the leaves. And what does the tree grow on it? What does it grow? Grows both of these things, but it starts growing little buds, right? Little buds on the leaves and on the branches that stem out and become blossoms, right? So there's our blossoms. Yay, our blossoms. Those are awesome. So what do the blossoms turn into? So remember, the blossoms die, the flower petals will die and become, the middle becomes a apple, an apple. And apples have inside them, what do apples have inside them, inside their core? Seeds, they have seeds in them. So it's kind of cool. You can kind of make it a circle. So let's see if we can kind of do that with ours. If you decide to print out these tiles, then you can try to do this too. Make this sort of like circle. There we go. Ta-da! There it is. So a life cycle, of course, goes in a circle like this because the seed becomes a sprout, then grows to a big tree, makes the blossoms, which makes apples, and then inside the apple are seeds. So if like the apple fell from the tree and landed on the ground, the seeds would already be in the ground to grow another sprout, and the whole thing goes round and round. Isn't that fun? All right, well, I hope you did learn about the life cycle of an apple with me today, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Guys, have a great day. Bye.